Okay, we're back to the original truck. I am going to get that visor off. Let's close this. And I'm just gonna film getting this one off because, as y'all know, my storage is getting low. Actually, y'all don't know this because I'm putting it in the front of the video. It was a size 8. Okay, well, I said I wasn't gonna film, but I realized I kind of have to, because I am too short to get up there. This side is off. This guy was barely on. One just got the lights on there. Okay, the thing looks bald now. See, doesn't it look like it's bald or something? I just noticed there's a ton of little cat prints on there. Y'all were probably expecting a different clip on that truck, weren't you? Nope. The wire for the visor, I can't find where it goes. I can see where it enters the cab. I've looked everywhere. It literally just goes into the cab and disappears. I can't find it in here. And then I tug on the wires a little bit, you know, just to try to see if anything else moves. Nope. Okay, y'all. My phone is at 18%, and this was the last thing I could really do to the truck today. Anyways, I'm not gonna mount it right now. I'm just going to see. I'm just gonna see how it's gonna look. Boom. How's that gonna look? I think it's gonna look good. Okay, y'all, it is Saturday. It is 9:57. I had my birthday party earlier. My friends just got home. I was waiting for them to get home before I started this, just in case I had any problems. And I had to go help them. But I got the wrong distributor cap and spark plug wires from AutoZone. So, thank you, Dad. He went to Napa real quick and bought me all the correct parts. And these are custom to my truck. So, I'm gonna be changing those. We have this overhead light, which is very nice. It's too bright out to use it still. My dad also got me these, which are spark plug wire pliers. Make it nice so you can just reach in and grab it out. Makes it way easier. Let's get started. I'm also gonna see what that text said real quick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to not mess up the firing is I'm going to put, okay, here's spark plug wire, the first one. What we're going to do is I'm gonna take this new distributor cap and I'm forgetting the name of this. What's the name of this? I don't remember. Anyways. So, put this guy over here like that. Take that guy off. Put him in the new distributor cap. Into place. So this guy, I already got that spark plug in. So there's the distributor. It was the one right to the right of that. Clicked and clicked. Now I'm just gonna go around. Actually, I'm gonna go by the next one. Next one is the one to the right. So. Oh, they zip tied it. I don't understand why they would zip tie. You know what I just realized? I should probably take my favorite sweatshirt off. And this is the next wire. Okay, y'all. I have my overalls on. I have my hair up. I've got my sweet tea. This is iced tea, but it's sweet. And got a brownie. I don't even know if y'all can see that. I got a brownie. Something out in the bushes, I don't know what it is. Sarah from Homestead Living Alaska baked it for me for my birthday, which, thank you, it is amazing. It's currently 10:30, I'm eating the brownie. So, the brownie is fueling me to get this engine done. And to deal with all the, zip-tied hoses, not hoses, the zip-tied spark plug wires, which actually I should text my dad about that. He'd get a kick out of that. Like her wire. Okay, this guy's the main one. Got my spark plug here. I'm gonna get the old one. There's that. While I look for like extension, I'm gonna turn off the video. I'm gonna tell my dad about them zip tying. I don't think they got the custom fitted ones because they zip tied the wires. I got the spark plug out. I forgot to record, so it did not catch anything. Here it is. I've already got the spark plug wire for it connected, so all I have to do is put the new spark plug in and plug that in. Boom. Spark plug in. Spark plug wire. It's already connected, so I just gotta connect. Oh, we actually got exhaust that time. It ran enough to have exhaust.
Hey, here goes Jessica, moving her truck, first time. No seats, so. What you tell the mud. Well, the truck's a little cold-blooded, we found out, so. I figured I moved her off to the side, but. Oh, quiet, dog. Well, what do you think?
It's a little hard to drive without seats.
Yep, yep.
Okay, so we get all these wires inside. So what I'm doing here is I have the shop vac. I don't know if it's probably not in this one. And what I'm going to be doing is just cleaning this up. So let me try to get closer. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe down the dash with some grease. Now, I don't know if y'all can see me or not, I'm gonna take all this stuff and put it on the floor. I made this. It's a grip for the steering wheel. It's gonna go on top. This entire piece right here is getting replaced, so I'm not gonna bother with that. Now there's a spot up here where the dash is miscontrolled. I'll have to show you all that. This guy is going up here. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like one of the worst things I've ever made with leather, but you can go past that. I haven't hooked the horn this time. That's discolored.